The Soulmate Foldable Piano 61 key is designed to be highly portable, folding to a compact size of 17.8 inches and fitting neatly into its travel tote bag. With 61 semi-weighted keys, this keyboard offers a realistic, piano-like touch and dynamic sound that responds to the player's pressure. The multifunctional keyboard features an LCD display, 127 rhythms, 127 tones, and 20 demo songs, along with built-in high-fidelity stereo speakers for a rich audio experience. Bluetooth MIDI functionality allows you to connect the keyboard to various devices and applications, enhancing your learning and practice sessions. The keyboard is compatible with numerous devices such as headphones, pedals, and computers, providing a flexible and versatile training experience. Soulmate offers excellent customer service, ensuring that any issues with the foldable piano are addressed promptly and parts are provided if the product is damaged.